When steel gets its calling, a universe takes form in a compact space. We define the age with masterful craft and power the future with smart creation. Since its start in 2006, EFG has progressed for nearly 20 years, guided by scientific management and driven by advanced technology. We have established a full-spectrum operational system encompassing R&D, manufacturing, and quality assurance. EFG has built a professional team of over 500 experts. This achievement is powered by the deep integration of advanced technology and equipment, and strengthened by our close partnerships with leading research institutions worldwide. We specialize in universal joint manufacturing, driven by innovation. Our 80-acre smart plant, with 60 advanced CNC machinery, uses centralized production to deliver core components, like cross assemblies and differential shafts. Our products cater to nearly 100 models, from mini vehicles and heavy-duty trucks to agricultural and construction machinery. We supply a complete range of renowned bearing series, serving the national market with superior quality. Since our founding, we always obey the principles of survival through quality, development through reputation. Certified by both the ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 International Quality Management Systems, we have established a modern management that fully meets the demands of a market economy. Every product must through over 30 inspection procedures, with precision tolerance controlled to within a micron. This commitment to perfection ensures that EFG products are in motion across every corner of the nation, from the southwestern coast to the northwestern frontiers, from urban arteries to rural fields. We believe that our core principle is not merely a slogan. It is a business creed infused in our bloodline, and a solemn promise to every partner we work with. For future, EFG Bearing, Xiamen Co., Ltd. remains committed to enhancing energy efficiency, management and optimizing service system. Continue to collaborate closely with partners across the industrial chain to jointly propel the Chinese automotive manufacturing industry forward. Guided by craftsmanship and driven by quality, EFG is building the future.